Today we're gonna do some shopping, so come shopping with me. Hello, so it's the next day and I received a call yesterday. I'm moving again and it's next week, next Friday. So I will have video ready for next weekend, but it will probably be rushed. If it's not rushed, then it's because I edited it on the Saturday. But anyways, I want to show you what I've got, at least the stuff I didn't eat, because I had the muffins, I had the Tango, I've already opened the Dr. Pepper, and yeah, I did also get a sandwich that I ate because it was for my thing. But basically, we got cheesy toast wraps, and we got garlic parm wraps as well, because yes. And then I got 2 things for Easter, because I was like, hey, Easter's coming up, why don't I get myself something? So this one has foams and jellies. But yeah, that's that one. And then I also got some jelly beans. And then I got 2 of these, which helped me out a lot. See, 2. I got some Spam, because I'm making kimchi fried rice, and Spam is good with kimchi fried rice. I got 3 packs of basmati. I contemplated getting Mexican as well, but I didn't end up getting it. You'll see, you saw it in the video. But yeah, and that's it. I did pick up a couple more bits, but I put them back, seeing as I was trying to save money and trying to get some stuff for, well, no, I was trying to save money and I knew that I was moving, so I couldn't get some stuff. So yeah, yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. I will be starting to upload every week. The plan is every Sunday. Don't have a time yet, but I will be uploading every Sunday. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed. Oh yeah, I also got equipment coming tomorrow, so I will probably unbox that and show you whenever I get it. Depends what time it comes out, because if it's not coming until later in the day, then I won't put it in. But if it comes and it's like not too late, because the latest I want to post that is 6 p.m. GMT, which will be changing to BST, but it'll be the same. So yeah, that's the latest I will post that. And yeah, yeah, if it comes after 6, then I will probably put it in the next video. Okay, bye bye. So my package came, and let's see. So I got a stand. It's a tripod. It's a bendy tripod. As you can see. It's bendy. And then this part, I'm guessing, yeah, this part is for the stand. Like so. Then you put your phone in. It's got a foamy back and stuff. And then this, I think, changes the height. I don't know. No, you can't change the height. That's fine. But yeah, that's the stand. And then I also got microphone. And this is it. Here, oops, on. So these are the two bits you can add on. So that's a lightning bit. And that's the USB. This is the charger, I assume. So yeah, you can put it in here and charge it. This is the thing. This plugs in to your phone. So, yeah. So yeah, I will charge these up. And get them sorted. You've got the foam heads, which are held to put back on, I've just realised. And then you've got these ones as well, which are the regular ones. Those are the fluffy ones. These ones are regular, and you have 4 of these ones as well. So, and then it just clips on like so, and it's a mic, obviously. So yeah, I will charge one of these up to test it, and I will show you how it goes. Okay, so it's on now. I won't know how it sounds until I watch the video over. But yeah, it should work. I can just hold it like this. Yeah, but yeah, it's on now. And I can wear it on my clothes and everything. Yeah, at the back, it has the power button and the indicators in thing. Now the screen doesn't work. At least I don't think. I've now got it on the stand. It can go portrait and landscape. So yeah, that's. I probably rate this a 9. They were already charged. I thought I had to charge them, but I didn't. They were already charged, and it does make me sound so much clearer. So I will definitely use these a lot. So yeah.
Thank you, everyone!